Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Tonkeeper to Bybit. So first of all, you want to go to Tonkeeper and scroll down until you see USDT, click on it, and then choose Send. Once you click on Send, you will see that you need a name, an address, and a comment. So first of all, let's go to Bybit now and click on Assets at the right corner at the bottom. Now on assets, you will see it here. You want to click deposit. And once you see the option, deposit with crypto. Already have crypto, deposit directly. So you want to go ahead and click on it. Now choose USDT. And you need to choose a chain type. So the chain type would be Ton. And you will need to make sure that you enter the memo tag. Now, here it is. Now you need to go ahead and copy the address first and go to your Tonkeeper. Here you're going to paste the address, allow paste, and then as you can see, you need to enter that memo tag because otherwise your funds will be lost. You go back to Bybit, copy the tag or the memo, enter it here. You need this memo because you are transferring from non-custodial wallet to custodial, and that's why your funds may be lost otherwise. So after this, you're going to click continue. You're going to enter the amount which you want to go ahead and transfer, and just click continue, and that's basically it. Your USDT will be transferred to Bybit after this. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.